This pineapple water can relieve joint pain, inflammation, and will help you lose weight. Our body consists of 60% water, so we need to drink plenty of water in order to boost blood circulation and support all processes occurring in the system. Yet, if you add flavor to water, you get a delicious natural drink that will keep the body hydrated and improve health in many ways. Pineapple water is one of the most powerful natural beverages that accelerate weight loss, fight inflammation in the body, and alleviate joint pain. Pineapples have potent anti-inflammatory effects due to the presence of bromelain, an enzyme that speeds up the healing process and relieves pain. The high bromelain and iodine content will prevent various autoimmune disorders and relieve thyroid disorders. Pineapples are abundant in fiber, so their consumption creates a feeling of satiety and prevents sugar and fat cravings, while thiamine boosts metabolism and converts carbs into energy. Moreover, pineapples are rich in potassium, which strengthens the body and maintains a healthy balance of electrolytes. Bromelain has potent antiparasitic qualities, so the regular consumption of pineapples also destroys tapeworms and flushes parasites from the liver and intestines. Pineapple juice fights colon inflammation and relieves asthma symptoms as well. If you also add fennel seeds to the drink, you will also enrich the flavor and soothe the digestive system. Here is how to prepare this drink. Ingredients: ½ cup pineapple chunks, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, 8 cups hot water. Instructions: add the pineapple chunks to a pitcher filled with hot water. Leave the drink to cool at room temperature, and then add in the fennel seeds. Leave to soak overnight, and in the morning, strain it. Drink this beneficial beverage on a daily basis, and you will reap all health benefits offered by this delicious fruit. Enjoy.